All right. Next one, we have the one I think that it has the best name, at least. MysteryOsos. So good. Let's play this in Spanish. Oh, look, it remembers my name.
I think this game was really ambitious for a game jam, but I think there's some really good bits in there, especially on the art side. It has potential to be really pretty. There is, I don't know, there is a story, but I never could follow it completely.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys could.
Yeah, like it's like card based, right? Like depending on the card, you like the story is tell in a different way.
And the muñecas are chasing you. I only met one muñeca once.
It's pretty though. Look at that wood. That wood looks expensive.
I like the design of the back of the cards.
Yeah. I like the feedback of the, like the sound feedback. Yeah, look at this. Reminds me of Sayonara Wild Hearts cards. This Calavera Flor. I don't know if this is like a creepy game or I'm just like creeped out by dolls. It's kind of creepy for me. ¿Dónde está la llave? Lo pondré en mi mapa mental. Like you can be exploring. Oh no! Look at her. No! Oh!
Oh!
Yeah. She got me. The doll got me. That's good.
Are there any views where you see like the doll from all angles? Because it like I would love to see the doll like from the top. It looked great, and I'm like, oh, I want to see all the art and design around the doll.
Yeah, no. It's all about, it's like the monsters, you know. You cannot see the monster.
You cannot imagine how pretty they are.
Yeah, you can only imagine. Okay, next one is path.